Every day we use hundreds of products, but do we really know how much they cost the planet? A cotton bed sheet, a foam pillow, everyday objects we use without thinking. Yet behind each of them lies a long story: crops, factories, transport, wash-in cycles, and in the end, disposal. How much water did that sheet need? How much CO2 did that foam emit? Knowing this with certainty has not always been easy. This is where Greenspire comes in. Greenspire is a 4-year European project funded by Horizon Europe. Our goal: to create the scientific tools that allows us to precisely measure the real environmental impact of the products we make and consume across their entire life cycle. Which products are we focusing on? 2 sectors that are part of our everyday lives and together carry an enormous environmental footprint across Europe. The first, home textile, bed sheets, tablecloths, towels, curtains, blinds. The second, polyurethane foams, the material inside your mattress, your sofa, your pillow, and also in the insulation of walls and roofs. To do this, Greenspire will develop what are called Product Environmental Footprint Category Rules, or PEFCRs. These are the scientific rulebooks that allow us to calculate in a reliable and comparable way the environmental impact of a product from the moment raw materials are extracted to the moment it becomes waste. Experts call this a life cycle assessment. Greenspire will take it to the next level, making it accessible, open, and useful for the whole industry. But Greenspire does not work only in the laboratory. Manufacturers, designers, policymakers, small and medium-sized enterprises, and consumers are all part of the process. Because tools only work if those who need to use them help to create them. By the end of the project, we will have validated methodologies, open databases, and a digital platform that any company, large or small, can use to understand and improve the environmental footprint of its products. But that information won't stay only in the hands of businesses. A website and an app will let anyone discover the real impact of what they buy, and will also help shape the criteria for greener public procurement. And with that information, industry can design better, policymakers can legislate with real data, and consumers can choose with confidence. Greenspire, because building a more sustainable future starts with learning how to measure it.